To turn our WordPress website into an e-commerce website, we need to install an e-commerce or a shopping cart plugin. Plugins are add-on software that can be added to WordPress. To start installing your e-commerce plugin, we go to the plugins section and select the Add New option. WooCommerce is by far the most popular e-commerce plugin available for WordPress. We will search for the WooCommerce plugin and select the Install Now option. Once the plugin has been downloaded and installed, WordPress will prompt you to activate the plugin. When you click Activate Plugin, you will be taken to the WooCommerce Setup screen. Here, WooCommerce will allow you to set up your basic e-commerce options. WooCommerce will automatically install certain pages that are needed for a proper e-commerce store, including the shop page, the cart or the basket, the checkout, and the account management page for all of your customers. To automatically install those pages, simply select Continue at the page setup stage in the WooCommerce installation. The next step in the WooCommerce installation is setting up the geography for your store. By default, it has selected Republic of Ireland. We need to change the currency to Euro, the currency symbol position, which is normally to the left, but you can choose to change it to the right, or the left with space or right with space. You can choose the various different options associated with the currency and the pricing, and then also you can set the units for your product dimensions and weight. The next step is setting up the basic shipping and tax information for your WooCommerce store. If you have physical products that need to be shipped, select the I will be shipping physical goods to customers option, or leave it unchecked if your goods are either downloadable or virtual goods that are delivered over the internet, such as Skype training sessions, Google Hangouts, or one-on-one meetings. If you're going to be charging tax, select the I will be charging sales tax options. Unfortunately, because WooCommerce has an American team behind it, it's called sales tax instead of VAT. You can now select if you would like to enter the prices before VAT or after, or inclusive of VAT. General practice for business to customer stores is to enter prices inclusive of tax and let WooCommerce calculate the taxes for you. The calculation of taxes is done when the tax rates are entered into the WooCommerce settings at a later stage. The next step is setting up payment information. By default, WooCommerce gives you 4 options to accept payments, either to receive checks, cash on delivery, bank transfer, or via PayPal. If you want to receive payments via PayPal, simply enter your PayPal email address in this field. And if you would like to accept payments by bank transfer, select the BACS option and hit Continue. At this point, WooCommerce will tell you that you are now ready to create your first product.